Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last two trading sessions. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart for crude oil, and this candlestick indicates 23rd of March price opening. That was on Wednesday. So we had a holiday on the last Friday. So what we expected on Wednesday was we thought if the price is moving above 2772 or 76, you can go for buying, or else wait for the price to reach till 2720 and then go for buying, placing a stop loss around 2970. And I had explained you very clearly why we are going for that. So the price, after the price opening, the price could not clear 2770. So that resulted in a failure, so the price came down to reach 2720. Initially there was some buying but could not stay for a long time. Finally the price came down and consolidated and closed near 2690. So it was more or like a minimum loss a day for crude oil traders based on our advice. Like what we expected, the market didn't had enough trust or enough force on the buying side. So what happened on 24th? We had a half day evening session because of Holi. So the price opening was much lower, below the key zone of 2700, and the price opened near 2620. For our analysis, we always consider the price opening. What we see around the LTP, what we see around the market opening as a price opening. We don't consider the spike and gap as a price opening. Right after the price opening, the price continued its selling. It came down till 2590. From that, the market gave a full recovery and the price closed around 2660. So this was the entire price action that happened in the last 2 days. We can say the last 2 days was quite dominated by the sellers. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. We know that this is not going to be an easy zone for crude oil traders. On seeing the first for Monday, Tuesday, and Monday, Tuesday, the price last week went up, created a new high. Again, the 3-day continuous fall. So it looks like it is not in a very good, comfortable zone, or it is trying to identify its trend. Now, what we can do is, so in order to get some clarity, I had decreased the scale. This is same 7-minute candlestick chart. If you remember, I had shown you in the beginning of this contract this same chart and explained you how this contract was divided into two parts based on 2520. So if you had noticed that on many occasions the price had shown this particular line, follow this particular line. On many occasions the price had shown that this 2620 is a very good rebounding recovery zone in this contract. On various occasions, you could see the price had shown a recovery or a clear bounce back in this particular zone. So that is the reason the market had given us a clear bounce back after a steep fall on Thursday's trading session. So we cannot take this bounce back very easily. It can be a continuation or because we know that there was a very long buying, and after that it can be considered as a correction also, what happened in the last 2 days. So we cannot take this very easily. Now coming back to the trading idea for today, you can expect a crude oil to open somewhere just above 2660, near 2680. So again we are expecting a higher opening compared to the previous day's closing. That looks positive for the buying side. So we were left with very few options. We need to test the market. You can go for buying in crude oil today, placing a stop loss around 2590. You can place a stop loss around 2590 and go for a buying and average till that. We need a clear confirmation. If the buying is very weak, we will at least get a closing below 2660. That gives us some signs of weakness in buying. If the buying is very strong, we will get a closing above 2720. we should note that this 2700 720 is not going to be a very easy zone for buyers to clear. There will be some strong resistance. So it is going to be the struggle between 2660 and 720, how the price is going to react or clear this zone, that decides the trend for this week. So we need to take some chances, few chances, but today we feel that it will be safer if you are on the buying side. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.